All right, we are going to be graphing a line that is in the point slope form in an equation, chicos. So this means that we already know one point on the line and we know the slope. So first thing we want to do is figure out what that point is. So we have the x-coordinate here and we have the y-coordinate there. So right here in purple, we know our x-coordinate is 4 and our y-coordinate is 2. We want to make sure we get those in the right order, even though 2 comes first. When we order them over here, it's got to be 4, 2. So the first thing I'm going to do is plot that point. So I'm going to go over 4 here, up 2. Here's my point. And then I need to know what my slope is, which can be found right here in the middle. And in this case, it's -1/2, which means I'm going to go down 1 and over 2 and plot my next point. From here, all I got to do is go ahead and connect those 2 points. Let me make that a little better there. So connect those. And then voila, I have my graph. Okay, and I want to just talk about really quick how this, what I just did, is different from this equation we have right here. Now, there's a subtle difference, and I want you guys to just notice this. And it's right here, we've got y minus 5, but over here we have x plus 4. And you can see that in our original equation, we have a subtraction problem right here, which means that this really is x minus -4. So our x-coordinate is not +4, it's actually -4. So that's our first point, -4. And then our y-coordinate is 5. Okay, so I'm going to graph this in blue or purple or whatever color this is. So this will be blue. So I'm going to go -4. Let's see here. 1, 2, 4. And +5 right here. So that's where I'm going to be graphing. And I have a slope of 2. So of course I'm going off the map here, but I would go up 2, 1, 2, and over 1 and graph right there. Or since I have a little bit more space, I'll go down 2 and over 1 to the left. And then I'm going to connect my graph, my 2 points, to create that graph. Okay, so there we have it. And there's that difference. So the biggest thing to remember here, though, is that when you have that positive, you need to know that that x-coordinate is going to be negative. It's opposite of what you would think.